I have in front of me a double AV faceplate with space for 4 modules, okay? So what makes it a double is it's roughly double the dimensions of your standard faceplate. So the overall dimensions on this is 145 millimeters, and the depth here, or the height of it, is 85 millimeters, okay, which would be standard. And what makes it 4 modules long is the fact that we can actually slot 4 modules in here. So I'm just going to demonstrate this in a few moments' time, but I'll just start off by mentioning, we'll say, this here would say it'd be a very popular module we would sell, a HDMI module here. And the idea is that you buy the standard here and you can make a decision that I want to actually customize this to have, we'll say, 2 HDMIs, an RCA, and a VGA connection, for instance, or a USB connection. And you can just click them in as you acquire them. The distance between holes here, just when I'm on the topic of dimensions, is 120 millimeters, so that's standard again. And it'll be used in conjunction with something like this back box. So it just clip on here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how to go about using this. So just say I have this HDMI module here, I want to insert it. All I do is I simply push it in here, just to show you in the back. I just click it in, and there it is. You slide up and down so we can position it wherever we want. And what we can do then is we can just add on additional modules. So we can put in something like an RCA connection or a USB, or in this case here a 3.5 millimeter. And they'll each clip in and they'll just go side by side all the way through. Just don't want all that hassle taking this out afterwards. But I dropped that one there. But you can see the general logic there. So, what's happened over the years is that this is sort of migrated for something that was used in commercial applications, then into very high-end houses. But now it's becoming very standard, because what people want to do is they want to have a central comms room, maybe with something like a HDMI splitter, and they want to run it off to a number of rooms. But rather than have the cable run directly through the wall and just be lying on the ground, they want to simply terminate it in something like this module here. So what we do is we run the cable all the way, just runs to this point here, and then we just clip it in here. And then we're just left with a neat faceplate. And if you want to change something afterwards in terms of the outputs, it's very, very modular. Just clip it out, you can change it out. So that's it anyway. An overview of the double AV faceplate with 4 module slots.